Parang naiyak na ako. Parang I'm about to cry. Because nga ano, yun. Yeah, I'm so proud because he's always guided, he's always guided every day and every night he's working. Yeah. That's oo, parang naano ako tuloy kasi si Binoy. Si Binoy kasi mama trip. Oo. Like ano, Binoy make me cry. Hindi, joke only Binoy. Hindi, I'm just thinking Langga Aking salute because he's always working hard. Yeah, every day and every night. So, that's the one thing I'm always pray for his safety every day. Yeah, and every night. Especially on the road and of course in the hospital. Yeah, I hope he will always okay. Yeah, especially sa hospitals, super, mahirap din talaga yung work ni King. Super hard. Super hard. And I'm just, praying for his safety every day. Yeah, that's the one thing we're always gonna,